Hey everyone, my name is Jimmy Trimble, and today I will be presenting to you the past of future art. Okay? So first up, we have the creation of Adam by Michelangelo. The genre is painting, the medium is fresco, and it dates back between 1508 and 1512. So the creation of Adam by Michelangelo is a fresco painting by the Italian artist Michelangelo, which forms part of the Sistine Chapel ceiling. So that's where it's located in the Sistine Chapel ceiling. And I don't know where it didn't say where the Sistine Chapel is actually located. I want to say it's probably located somewhere in Europe. That's probably all of I know. But it is it illustrates the biblical creation narrative from the book of Genesis in which God gives life to Adam, the first man. Next we have the Parmigiano, the Madonna with a long neck. The genre is painting, the medium is oil based, and it dates back between 1535 to 1540. I actually got to add it to this slide. The Madonna with the long neck, also known as Madonna with the long tile with angels and Saint Jerome, is an Italian Mannerist oil-based painting by Parmigiano and is depicting Madonna and child with angels located in Uffizi, and it is located in the Uffizi Gallery. Next up, we have the temple carving at the Temple of Edu by Pollock. The genre is sculpting, the medium is sunken relief, and it dates back between 237 and 57 BC, which is before Christ. So I also think of this sculpting as like a mural because it's more onto like a wall, as you can see. And that's what mostly murals are. It's like paintings on a wall. So I think of this as a painting on a wall. So the Temple of Carving at the Temple of Edu by Pollock is a is a photographic carving of figures and heliographics on the temple wall. From left to right is Horus, which is Hawkhead, Hathor, Ptolemy, Philopator, and Ammon holding hands. As you can see, these are the three that are holding hands, and that is Horus, Hawkhead, in other words. Then Hathor right here. Then Ptolemy that is sitting right behind my work right there. Um, and Ammon right here, the last person. Okay. Next up, we have the Parthenon, Athens. The genre is architecture. The date it dates back between 447 and 432 BC before Christ. The Parthenon, Athens temple that dominates the hill of Acropolis at Athens. It was built in the mid 5th century BC, which is before Christ, and dedicated to the Greek goddess Athena Parthenos. I'm sorry, Athena. In other words, Athena the Virgin. The temple is generally considered to be culmination of development of Doric order. The simplest of three classical Greek architectural orders. Okay. Next up, we have Swan Lake. So Swan Lake is the genre is ballet. It dates back between 1887 and 1888. I have a little short clip to play in just 1 second. So, Swan Lake 20 is a ballet composed by a Russian composer. Um, I'm not going to say his name. In 1875 to 1876, despite its initial failure, it is now one of the most popular ballets of all times. So, you may not be able to hear any sound. Um, let's see. If not, I'll play the sound from other devices if it doesn't play. Okay, I'll stop right there. Okay, and so next up we have is Isambard Kingdom Brunel by Robert Howlett. The genre is photography and it dates back on 1857. Isambard Kingdom Brunel, born April 9th, 1806, was a British civil and mechanical engineer, a great originally who designed the first transatlantic steamer. Um, he also in 1883 he was appointed to chief engineer to the Great Western Railway. His introduction of the Broad Gauge Railway provoked the famous Battle of the Gogs. The broad gauge made possible highways that were a great stimulus to the railway progress. In 1884, he was introduced a system pneumatic propulsionless on the Southern Devon Railway, but experiment was failed. And that is all, folks, that I have. And I would like to thank you all. And I hope you guys love the information that I gave out. And that is all for now. Thank you and bye.